Mom, there's no food. Like seriously, there's no milk. Tiniest bit on jam. This is old. What am I supposed to do with tomato paste? Nothing. Rotten bananas. 1 egg. Only rice noodles and wheat fix. Flour. Just flour. Mom, there's nothing! Ugh.
What's the matter? What's going on? Oh, okay, so there's no food. I get it. Every time we go out there, out of our gate, it's a potential chance to actually contract this virus.
Or a seed.
So when we go out, we need to be protected.
I've got a solution. Follow me. So, what you need, Mum, is gloves, a full bodysuit, and a belt, and a spray bottle full of methylated spirits. And very last, a gas mask.
So, I'm gonna head off shopping. It's really quite hard to breathe. Okay, this is my first time out in quite a while actually, and it's quite eerily quiet. I mean, it's a Monday morning and usually it's hustling and bustling, but it isn't. That was hot. I mean, that was seriously, that was like, what, how many? About an hour. And you're just like sweating in the gas mask. But you know what? Someone had to take it for the team. That was mammoth. But whānau can eat now. Calling all heroes.